Hello and welcome to Unhinged Components. Over the past year and a half, I've been on a little saddle spree, breaking saddles. What?
The problem is I can't really tell.
Why don't you just use the center bolt? That's machined. Well, yeah. Why don't you just use the center bolt? That's machined. Unless, yeah. Let's get some line in there. Okay, cool. Playing a game called Find the Center.
Assuming this is straight. Because it could be that these two sides aren't actually even. From here, this corner to this corner.
Yeah.
So we have to see how can I do this.
What are we trying to find?
I need to get this, line up with this, right?
Yeah, oh, you need a T.
So I need something that's I can mag with maybe a level reading. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. If I do it this way.
Well, if you're dating off the sides, then that would technically be center.
The problem is, I don't know if this wing distance is the same as this wing distance.
Right.
So
But-
off the side, if it's wrong, you might end up in side saddle.
Yeah.
But this mark is true center because it's always been
Yeah, there.
the original mark that everything else goes off on. Even the nose itself isn't really like
Yeah, it's not true.
true. It's off a little bit, but what matters is that it's because when I look at the map,
Yeah.
here, off these two lines,
Yeah.
it's already like offset. And you can see it. Right.
Yeah, however,
So
the
this distance and this distance in here is different.
rail doesn't look straight either.
Which one? This one or this one?
One one's out more. Which could be true or false too.
I don't care if the rail is out. What I care about is this to this. But because I don't have,
But if you just date them off these corners, then it will be center.
I don't think so. Because like I said, I don't know if it's
Because if you date them off your center line, then you have to fix it on the side.
true.
So in that way,
But you could end up having the rail like this.
Yeah.
I mean, I can do it. I mean, it's
I don't know.
if I did it that way,
Oh, off is your center line.
Off.
Yeah, it's just
it sits to
the left.
If I did it this way, okay. So it's a point one. One, three. Okay, now from here, from the outside corner to the end, on both sides is even.
yeah, that would be easier. I think I'd rather have that than having a wing out.
Right.
Because there's enough, it's broad enough here. You know, like, because I know one of these saddles, there's a like this one, like there's a lot of them that aren't truly center because of the way they're made. I swear there's a few crooked ones somewhere. Maybe not the injection molded ones.
So I need to bring the logo, which
There's a problem.
is small. We have to move at least the card out. I got to move the table too. We can move the lights out.
What?
Is it a weather tube, right?
I don't know yet because I didn't watch anything. I love this on the corner, my phone is okay.
Because it could be that
What?
these two sides aren't actually even. From here, this corner to this corner.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to. See, how can I do this?
What are we trying to find?
I need to get this lined up with this, right?
Yeah. Oh, you need a T.
So I need something that's I can mag with and get a level reading. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. If I do it this way.
Well, if you're datuming off the sides, then that would technically be center.
The problem is, I don't know if this wing distance is the same as this wing distance.
Right.
So
But
off the side, if it's wrong, you might end up setting side saddle. But this mark is true center because it's always been
there.
It's always been the original mark that everything else goes off on. Even the nose itself isn't really like
it's not true.
It's off a little bit, but what matters is that it's because when I look at if I look at it from the back, here, off these two lines, it's already like offset, and you can see it. Right.
Yeah. However,
this distance and this distance in here is different.
However, the rail doesn't look straight either.
Which one? This one or this one?
One of them's out more. Which could be true or false too.
I don't care if the rail is out. What I care about is this to this. But because I don't have...
But if you just date them off these corners, then it will be center.
I don't think so, because like I said, I don't know if it's...
Because if you date them off your center line and then you weld it, then you have to fix them on the sides.
True.
So in that way...
But you could end up having... You could end up having the rail like this.
Yeah.
I mean, I could do it. I mean, it's...
I don't know.
If I did it that way...
How off is your center line?
Off.
Yeah, it sits...
It sits to
the left.
But if I did it this way... Okay, now... From here, from the outside corner to the end, on both sides is even.
Yeah, that would be even, yeah. I think I'd rather have that than having a wing out. Because there's enough, it's broad enough here, you know, like, because I know one of these saddles, there's like this one, like there's a lot of them that aren't truly center because of the way they're made. I swear there's a few crooked ones somewhere. Maybe not the injection molded ones.
So I need to bring the welder out, which
is a problem. Got this thing set up for welding. As you can see, it is dark outside. And I'm gonna run it. I get a helmet really quick. So I turned down the exposure to get a better
went the side.
Huh?
There went the side.
Alright. Yeah, looks good.
So just build it up again. Trim it, I guess.
Go back.
Yeah.
Work around front, I guess. How do you do that?
Because this piece
It's too big.
more key,
Yeah.
and this doesn't. My guess is you're not enough front. If I have to build it all the way around,
It's gonna be
it's
stub
gonna stub.
Fucking run it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah,
You can't save it now.
yeah, I just run it. It'll be stub
I'm gonna reshape it. Take a file through it.
Yeah. Because we come back tomorrow, we can finish working on it. I'll do it right after, you know? Just zap it up. So try to thin that piece out. Maybe like 2 mil. Because I
I don't know. That's the thing is, I'm not really sure because I don't know how much stress this is going to take. Potentially, yeah, this might be better thinner, but again, compared to the rest of it,
Yeah, I
I
know.
don't really know if it's going to be like. It's going to be heavy still. Or weak. Stay put.
you know what we do? Pretty much just reuse it.
Oh, yeah, I put on the belt sander.
Yeah, just like,
Put a new
just,
on it.
yeah, I mean, just back where it is right now, hell, it's gonna be just fine. I'm not, you know, I get us out. Just
You want me to build it up more? Or do you want me to leave it?
leave it. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll just be a little bit of a short saddle, you know, compared to what we used to.
That's this.
I mean, it's, yeah,
They can't save it now.
yeah, I know, just run it. It'll be a stub nose.
We're going to reshape it. Take a file to it and reshape it.
Yeah.
That's what we can do.
Well, because when we come back tomorrow, we'll finish working on it. I'll do it right after, you know? Just Just zap it up. So should I thin that piece out? Made it like 2 mil? Because I
don't know. That's the thing is I'm not really sure because I don't know how much stress this is going to take. Potentially, yeah, this might be better thinner, but again, compared to the rest of it,
yeah, I know.
I don't really know if it's going to be like. It's going to be a heavy seat though. It's already weighty. Stay put. So,
you know what we do? Pretty much just radius it.
Yeah, I put it on the belt sander.
Yeah, and just like
just put a new nose on it.
Yeah, I mean, just back where it is right now. I mean, hell, that's where it's gonna be. Just fine. I'm not, you know. I'd get a saddle.
You want me to build it up more, or you just want me to leave it?
Just leave it. Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
Okie dokie.
It'll just be a little bit of a short saddle, you know, compared to what I'm used to.
I'm gonna get one more stick.
Yeah, that's basically the nose is just gonna be brought back to that radius. I'm just gonna bring it back. Fuck.
I think it probably takes some weight off of it.
How do you adjust the shade? Is it on? Sorry.
On? Is that shade 10?
It's weird because the mouse can reset.
Did it switch?
It's right, turn it on. Listen.
Because the only way you know is if you see all these like blink.
Okay.
Because right now like
It's on.
it's on now.
Yeah.
Shade 10, sensitivity, 2, delay,
Center
center
neutral.
neutral.
Right, yeah. Okay.
Maybe didn't have it on.
Oh, yeah. I can see farther now. That's the crazy part. I see the apology letter. I can. What the hell? Yeah, this thing wasn't on. Heavy, but it'll be stiff as hell. Like, this thing's gonna be like a cat frame. This is the kind of saddles. Cat one.
So I think what we can do.
I can get that bolt out.
Well, when you unscrew all this, just drop the cap and I'll twist it.
That was captive as hell, anyways. You never know. Yeah. I see that.
Okay. So we can take the sanding belt
Yeah.
and like fill it a bunch of this crap away. Okay.
What other way they can get rid of?
Take a file to it and take a round file, bastard file, and fill it all the welds out.
Yeah.
But it depends on how much radius that belt sander has relative to a file.
Yeah.
I think a file might be better. It might be a little bit faster actually. this one,
just knock it all
we'll
down.
have to knock it all down, and then you can actually probably like feather all this out.
Yeah.
And
because we'll cut it from here and run it.
yeah.
You know.
Actually,
because it's
the sanding belt just radius the whole thing all the way around.
I'm gonna knock the front off too.
Oh, you're gonna knock it all the way to the.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Don't bother. What's this thing weigh? Like it's a forky little.
It ain't light.
Yeah. It's shit.
You can feel it too.
Oh god. Yeah.
Yeah. See, the nose are all like. All this has got like get reshaped.
Yeah.
But the back here.
It's great.
Yeah.
For the most part, I think. Yeah, I think it is. No, the rail's not loose, right?
Nope.
Hell yeah.
It ain't gonna come loose either.
It's welded together.
Ain't no glue on this bad boy.
No. It's 100% not composite.
Yeah.
It's like a 300-gram saddle, probably. Because it's got lots of machine bits, too.
Yeah.
See if it's stiff in the middle, like. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we could probably chop out a bit in the middle.
Yeah, like mark it out.
Chop.
We can do our post tomorrow.
Yeah.
When we come back, take my time with it. Because I'm going to buff out the top, too.
So I think.
That thing looks.
Ugly.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
You can probably take a lot of the weld off here.
That's more on one side, huh? Yeah, the right.
Yeah. It's an odd angle for me.
Yeah. Hey, as long as it's welded. Nice. It's like a metal airplane. Doing some more marking to remove material that is unnecessary. Because I know.
I'm gonna take off more of this.
Yeah, where you have is good. Yeah, outlined. He's big. Ah, yes. It's like by you. You hear it? Got a turbo tester. Jesus. I guess run it. Run the belt. I'll do those.
I think on this one,
Yeah.
we can use the
With the buffalo.
yeah, and then just run it all the way across.
So I can even out this part, the overall radius, and you'll do the fillet.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take this. Alright, I guess I'll grind it in.
Yep.
Run on the bell sander, and I'll do the nose too.
I think on this one,
Yeah.
we can use the
With the buffalo.
yeah, and then just run it all the way across.
So I'm going to mark out some speed holes for the saddle right here. So we'll see. Going to measure 10 away. So it goes right here. And I'm going to get another circle gauge for somewhere in here. And see, 15 mil stitch. And I'm gonna one and a half. So I have a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. It's cool. That's as far as we'll take it. Should take some weight out, I hope. And we'll drill them, see what happens. For scale, I'll show you what this thing weighs. And in grams first. And it's a porky boy, the 237. You know, it's, and for us Imperial guys, 8.3 ounces. It's chunky. Yeah. Compared to something that is carbon and no padding. You know, there's only 3.5, yeah, it's 3.5. And if you take it out, then it's 100. This is a little more than twice the weight. It's just the way it is. However, differences are this will crack. Right there. And this will not. It has tie rails. They clamp up actually better than the carbon ones. I think I swear these are crooked, but I can't prove that right now. And this one's made of some nice beefy sheet. Stiff, very stiff. Looking forward to getting this finished in a few hours here. So, yeah.